Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? This time we are going to learn more about procedure text, especially in language features and manual and tips examples. But before we talk about the language features of procedure text, I'm going to tell you the review of my last video. The definition of procedure text: a text containing goal and steps about how to make or to do something. Sebuah teks yang berisi tujuan dan langkah-langkah bagaimana membuat atau melakukan sesuatu. Bisa juga artinya a piece of text that gives us instructions for doing something. Sebuah teks yang memberikan kita instruksi untuk melakukan sesuatu. And we can say that procedure text is a text that is designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence of actions or steps. Procedure text itu adalah sebuah teks yang dirancang untuk mendeskripsikan bagaimana sesuatu itu tercapai melalui urutan langkah-langkah yang ada di teks itu. For the social purpose of procedure text is to show how something is done through sequence of steps which enable the reader to achieve the goal. Tujuan sosial teks prosedur itu untuk menunjukkan bagaimana sesuatu itu dilakukan melalui urutan langkah yang mana bisa membuat pembacanya mencapai tujuan. As for the text structure, we can find the goal or aim, tujuannya, ingredients or materials atau bahan-bahan yang diperlukan, or tools, alat-alat yang diperlukan, steps, langkah-langkah yang harus dilakukan. Kinds of procedure text. The first one, recipe, cooking recipe. The next one, manual. A user manual is a technical communication document intended to give assistance to people on how to use a product. Jadi manual ini biasanya kita dapat kalau kita membeli barang-barang elektronik. Di dalam boxnya itu ada buku petunjuk penggunaan. That's user manual. Itinerary. Next one, tips. Language features of procedure text. Kaidah kebahasaan dalam teks prosedur. The first one, using simple present tense. Oke, kita lihat di sini, ini adalah contoh sebuah tips ya. Small things you can do every day to largely improve your life. Nah, di sini kita bisa melihat bahwa this procedure text uses a simple present tense. Next, using imperative sentences or commands. Itu adalah kalimat-kalimat perintah. Contoh nih, example, click on the button, add or delete slides, sign into your Google account, tap the setting, wear your mask, do not mix, etc. Do not mix, jangan dicampur. Let's take a look at this text. First one, plan your day in the morning. Jadi perintahnya adalah plan your day in the morning. Rancang harimu itu pada pagi hari. Jadi sebelum beraktivitas, kalian merancang dulu apa yang harus kalian lakukan hari itu. Next one, enjoy your breakfast without checking the phone. Smile in the mirror. Read for 15 minutes. Meditate for 10 minutes. Using action verbs. For example, cut, walk, talk, write, put, fold, wash, is, turn, do not, mix, open, etc. Okay, let's take a look at these tips. First, talk. Right? We can find talk, berbicara, write, menulis, hak, memeluk. Using adverbials or adverbs, kata keterangan, to declare the detail, time, place, and an accurate way. For 5 minutes, 2 hours in the morning, correctly, carefully, etc. For example, for 15 minutes and for 10 minutes. Okay, next one. Kaidah kebahasaan yang lain. using connecting words. Then after that, next, finally, etc. A manual how to use an ATM, automated teller machines. Okay, I'm going to analyze these texts. The first one, using connecting words. Oke, kita lihat connecting words-nya ada apa aja. Then after that, okay, finally. So we can find then, after that, and finally. Using numbering, ordinal number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. This is an example of manual. Next, okay, TWS Bluetooth earphone. It's a manual. You can find product specification, how to wear it, how to use it. How to use it? Use in pair. Jadi dipakai semuanya. Nih, turn on earphone. How to pair the device, receiving and ending a call, rejecting a call. How to use a single phone. Kalau pakai single aja nih, kalau pakai satu aja nih bisa ternyata. Okay, listen to music juga bisa. Nah, this one, how to charge this earphone, this Bluetooth earphone. This is an example of user manual in the box when you buy a device, new device like earphone, smartphone, or television, smart TV, wireless mouse, user manual. As for the tips, here is an example, tips to study smarter. Okay, student self-care tips. Well, that's all for language features of procedure text. I hope you can understand. If you haven't understood, please comment down below. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Thank you. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.